Hello, future daughters. I am Sirisha, your NEET Biology faculty, and welcome to Ignite Foundation. So, today in this session, we are going to learn one of the most important organ in our human body, that is heart. And before starting the session, I just want you to do something. First, place your hand on your left side of your body and press little bit. Do you feel anything? That rhythmic sound? So that is your heart. So you should know complete anatomy of heart, which is very important, that every year you will get one question from this topic. So coming to heart, and we all know that heart works continuously throughout life without taking any rest, right? And it also pumps blood every part of the body and also maintains life by supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. So here, coming to location of the heart, it is located in thoracic cavity, between two lungs in a region called mediastinum. So this is the exact location of heart, and most people think that heart is located exactly at left side, but actually it is located at mediastinum region. Okay, next we will get to know about size and shape of the heart. Size and shape of the heart. Coming to size, heart size is your closed fist. So this is your heart size. Okay, it is closed fist, and it is hollow inside and muscular outside. Muscular outside. And here there are two regions. One is apex. So this is the apex region, and this is the base region. Base and apex. So these are two regions present in the heart. And coming to weight, average weight of the heart 250 to 300 grams. 300 grams. Now coming to covering of the heart. Okay, we will know about the covering of the heart. So here pericardium, covering. So pericardium is the outermost layer. Pericardium. So this is the outermost protective layer of the heart. So here you can see. So this is the pericardium. Okay, this is the outermost and protective layer of heart. Here in pericardium there are two layers. Okay, one is fibrous pericardium and next one is serous pericardium. Pericardium, serous pericardium. So fibrous pericardium, it helps in heart not to get stressed. I mean not get too stressed. Okay, whenever heart is beating, so it helps heart to not too stressed. Okay, and coming to serous pericardium, there are two layers. Okay, one is parietal layer, another one is visceral layer. So these are the two layers which are present in serous pericardium. And here there is pericardial cavity and pericardial fluid which are present in these two layers. Okay, pericardial cavity and pericardial fluid. Coming to difference between these two, pericardial cavity, it is present between parietal and visceral layer. And here pericardial fluid which is present in pericardial cavity. So pericardial fluid, it acts like as an lubricant. It acts as lubricant between these two layers, and it protects from rubbing. Okay, so there is no rupture of these two layers. Now coming to chambers of heart, there are four chambers of heart. Okay, chambers of heart. Heart has four chambers. One is right atrium, second one is left atrium, third one is right ventricle, fourth one is left ventricle. So these are the four chambers which present in heart. Now we will get detailed. Now here coming to labeling of heart, this is left ventricle. Here this is left ventricle, left atrium, and this is right ventricle, and this is right atrium. So these are the four chambers present in the heart. And here this is superior vena cava, and here inferior vena cava. Now coming to here, deoxygenated blood from every part of the body is collected and it is transferred into right atrium with the help of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body, that is head, arms, so this body. And coming to inferior vena cava, it brings blood from bottom of our body, that is legs, pelvic, abdomen. So from here it brings blood, and these both transfers the blood and transfers the blood to right atrium. So here right atrium, it transfers blood, deoxygenated blood to right ventricle with the help of tricuspid valve. So this is known as tricuspid valve. Okay. So from right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood is passed through pulmonary artery. So this is right pulmonary artery, pulmonary artery, and this is right and that is left pulmonary artery. Okay. Left pulmonary artery. So from here, deoxygenated blood is transferred through left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery to lungs. And from lungs, again oxygenated blood, which purified, that comes to heart with the help of these two veins. Okay, these are called as pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins, left pulmonary veins, and these two are right pulmonary veins. So from starting, I'm telling, from here and here, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, they both collect deoxygenated blood from every part of the body, and it transfers blood to right atrium. From here, again, the deoxygenated blood transfers to right ventricle with the help of tricuspid valve, and from right ventricle, blood is transferred through left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery to the lungs with the help of pulmonary semilunar valve. So this is the pulmonary semilunar valve. Okay, this is the semilunar valve. And from lungs, again oxygenated blood, that is purified blood, it comes to heart with the help of left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery to the left atrium. Okay, so from left atrium, with the help of bicuspid valve, this is called as bicuspid valve. With the help of this, oxygenated blood get into left ventricle. This is left ventricle, and from here oxygenated blood get transferred to different parts of body with the help of aorta. And remember one thing here, this cell wall is too thin in right atrium and right ventricle. When comes to left ventricle, here it is thick cell wall, because from here the oxygenated blood is transferred quickly through the aorta and from different parts of the body. So it has thicker cell wall. Okay. Now coming to walls of the heart. Valves of the heart. There are bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, pulmonary semilunar valve, and aortic semilunar valve. So this is tricuspid wall. This is pulmonary wall, and this is tricuspid wall, and here it is aortic wall. So first one, this is tricuspid wall, okay, tricuspid wall, and here this is bicuspid, and here this is pulmonary wall, and this is aortic wall. So these helps in transferring blood to the ventricles. So this plays a important role in transferring the blood. And now coming to vessels of the heart, major vessels of the heart. Major vessels of the heart. There are two types of vessels. One is vessels entering into the heart and vessels leaving the heart. Leaving the heart. Okay. Here you can see these are the vessels entering the heart. Those are left pulmonary veins and these two are right pulmonary veins. So these two bring oxygenated blood to the heart, and here it is inferior vena cava, and this is superior vena cava. So these four are the vessels which are entering into the heart. And coming to vessels which leaving the heart. Okay. So these are the vessels which leaving the heart. Those are left pulmonary artery, and right pulmonary artery. And this is aorta. So from here blood is transferred. These two helps in transferring the blood, deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and aorta it helps in transferring the oxygenated blood to different parts of the body. Okay. So now we will discuss about we learned about all covering layer of this heart, is the septum, which layers present of heart and vessels of heart. Two ventricles. So in next class we will learn about complete system, complete blood system of the heart, and that is complete blood circulatory system of and septum is of three types. One is interarterial septum, and second one is interventricular septum, and third one is AV septum. So interarterial septum is present between these two ventricles, that is left ventricle, left atrium and right atrium. So this is the interarterial septum. And coming to interventricular septum, between these two, interventricular septum is present. Interventricular septum. So this is interventricular septum and this is interarterial septum. And now coming to AV septum, that is atrial ventricle septum, it is present between here, this place, which differentiate left atrium and right atrium and right ventricle and left ventricle. So in today's session we learned about all covering layers of heart and vessels of heart. So in next class we will learn about complete blood system of the heart, that is complete blood circulating system of the heart. Thank you.